days every month is unacceptable. He did a fat line of K, I smacked his desk. I'll take 20 right now, you can pack the rest. It's a 20 every day, you pass the test. 8-hour drive, touchdown, mission, pass respect. Having 5 cop, I got the keys from a burglary. I'm gonna cut the plug's throat like a surgery. Before I cop the pills, I gotta check them for impurities. I gotta send it back for all my insecurities. This is the 10th black run.
I can't help it, I stay in this road. Bitch, I be towing in Christian D.
Drive no cars, so I'm starting to get it. Back 7, I saw it get jiggy, get RS. Thomas, you yanked out the trackers with your plates in your car. Get the drop on a crew that got all arrested and fine. Ride around the city just waiting for a sign. So your son been taken, just cruising, that's mine. Just talking from Greenpoint to Lex 39. Watch him walk in the deli as I got him, I ride. Crashed up, you can take your car in the light. Put a gun in the window, never don't like to fight. Flip the fuck out, I need the keys to your life. If you try to move funny, get smacked in sight. Puff you in the thieves, fire check the registration. Say you got all the necessary information. Car comes from a blood, take his vegetation. If you get knocked, no explanation. I have 5 copy the keys from the car wash. I saw the red dots, got a hard on. Fuck the keys, let's bounce some cars on you. I'll turn that shit off, now the car's gonna slow. Make a song how to steal boats. I'm with a shirt, even Betty drive no cars. So explain the way to get a new X7. Son, get jiggy, get all the rest 7. You can carry picking first, you need a mask and some gloves. Getaway striker, 2 guys can be enough. Time to drive into Jersey, cause the town's getting tough. It's a high speed chase, I'ma bring a whole trust.